Morning. Just going to make a wee video today. Twins are out, me and Carl, in the new Fish Jack 10s. Great wee kayaks, nice and stable, loads of storage, and it is very cold, mind you, so I don't really know how much success we're going to have, if any, but fish nice and slowly today and see what happens, and I'll get back to you later. Well, that's near lunchtime. There's Carl. Come away up to the top of the loch. I've had a couple of hits, one followed the boat. I'm hoping that maybe they'll get hungry in the afternoon, but I'm throwing everything at them here to try and tempt them. So we'll see how we get on. We're going to get lunch shortly, and then we'll get back out at it. And that's Carl in the fish, thank goodness. Just before lunch. Whoop whoop. On the Rapala? Yeah. Pity I couldn't zoom in. Nice fish. Use your net. Good man. Well done. When you get her on hooked there, you can hold her up for me. Lovely. Spot on, well done. And away.
The rod bends again. And there's no way this is a fish. If this is a fucking fish, it's going to fill my kayak.
Well, the good news is I'm in, but it's small.
Fucking aren't you the boy?
For anybody listening there, Carl's hooked the bottom, we think, but I think it's a snag that I hooked earlier on. Is this a perch? Oh, it's a pike. That didn't fight very well. I'm going to bring it round this side. That's a wee lure.
Changed my mind. I actually now think this is a fucking fish.
Well, hurry up and get it in. I have a nice fish here. Happy days. That'll do me. Where's my glove? Oh, it's soaking and it's freezing. Can y'all see that? Oh, he's broke me. I haven't freed you yet, mate. Please stop, please stop, please stop. That's all I need. Is that free? Thank goodness for that. I'll just keep him in the net there. To get. Oh, that water's cold, man. Oh, that water is freezing. Oh. That was hard work. It's now after lunch. 10 to 3, believe it or not. Had a few digs. Oh, and he's taking my tail. That's Ricky Roach inoperable. That's a good wee lure. I do have a diving one, but this lake is so shallow. Oh, he's broke me. That's that. Out of business. There you go. Hope you can see. That's a nice fish. About.
Either that or is he trying to pull a tire across the bottom or something?
About £5. I'm gonna put my hand back in the water again. Oh, and he doesn't want to go. Come on. Oh, go on the way. There you go. Busted. Don't know what happened there. Anyway, onward and upward. So, story of the day so far. It's been very slow. Well, we've both had fish. It's very cold. Water temperature is only 3 degrees. It is January. I've about half an hour left here. There are some fish up here. I've seen them on the fish finder. From what I can make of that fish finder, there's something wrong with my transducer. There's probably a dead mouse or something trapped underneath it. We'll plod away for another half hour here, I suppose. The light will fade soon. But if I get any more, keep you updated. Cheers. So that's the end of our day. Packing up. No more hits. Plenty of fish seen, but they just weren't having it today. So light's fading, but we'll get out again. See you later.